एक्सरसाइज 2.2 का सेकेंड क्वेश्चन करेंगे। तो पहले पढ़ते सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में लिखा क्या है। द पैरामीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल स्विमिंग पूल इज़ 154। मतलब जो स्विमिंग पूल जो रेक्टेंगुलर शेप का है उसका पैरामीटर दिया हुआ है हमने 154 और इट्स लेंथ इज़ 2 मीटर मोर देन द ट्वाइस ऑफ इट्स ब्रेथ। और जो उसकी लेंथ है वो उसकी ब्रेथ की दोगुनी है, 2 गुनी ज़्यादा है। और जो लेंथ है वो 2 मीटर है और उसके 2 मीटर से भी 2 गुनी ज़्यादा है ब्रेथ की। और जो अब हमें पता लगाना है व्हाट आर द लेंथ एंड द ब्रेथ ऑफ द पूल। तो ब्रेथ और लेंथ क्या है पूल की, तो उससे पहले हम देखेंगे रेक्टेंगुलर स्विमिंग पूल विच हैव पैरामीटर ऑफ 154 मीटर एंड द breadth let we consider is x. Let we consider that breadth is equal to x and the length is 2 meter plus twice of breadth. Okay, so we got an equation of 2 plus 2x. Let have the write the formula that parameter of rectangular is 2l plus b. Let put the equation in it. So let we see that the parameter equal to 2l plus b. Now we have the formula of the parameter. Let put the equation in the formula. Formula of rectangle we get p equal to 2l plus b, 154 equal to 2l, which is given as 2 plus 2x plus breadth equal to x. We have the equation 154 equal to 2 plus 3x. Okay, we have two options. You can solve this and then get the value of x, but if you get easier you have to took that here and divide it and put that equation here. You will get that answer which is 77 equal to 2x plus 2 equal to 3x. Let 77 minus 2 equal to 3x. We got 75 equal to 3x and x equal to 75 by 3, which we got equal to 25. We got the value of x, which is breadth. Now put that value of x in equation 1 to find length. So we have the equation 1 is equal to 2x plus 2. So 2 into bracket x की value we got there plus 2. We have to multiply 2 into 25, which we got 50 plus 2. So we got the length equal to 52. You will get the answer that you have length equal to 52 and breadth equal to 25. You can check your answer by solving or put in the formula, which is 154 the parameter is. So we have to put that 25 plus 52. You will got the answer 2 7 7. So 154, or we got that 154. So you got the answer. You can check this by answer. Don't be get confused. It is just a process to check your answer, and this is the whole equation. If you will get the question in your exam, you have to follow that procedure to get a proper marks. Otherwise the invigilator will cut your marks on these steps, because this question is very important and mainly it will be asked in 3 marks question.